Today we have the 2020 BMW 1 Series. This vehicle has done just under 43,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. On the right, we have voice control, hands-free cooling, and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access media, communication, map, and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. If we press our mode button, we can switch between Sport, Eco Pro, and Comfort. Just below our screen, we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side.